What's up, everybody? Stixx Picks here with another picking video. I'm looking back at my editing, and I guess I forgot to make an intro when picking the other day, so I guess I'll make one now. What's up? And thank you for being here.
How you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
Okay. Did you just get here?
Yeah, we woke up late today.
Alright.
Yeah, we were supposed to come here at like 6. Normally do.
Yeah, it's supposed to be cool today.
Yeah, I'm happy about that. All right, you have a good day.
Yeah, you too, buddy.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Wonderful.
What do you want for these brass pieces?
Those are, everything on here, $3 each, 2 for $5. Everything here is $2 each.
How much your Pokemon pack?
$5 each, or you get 6 for 25. I'll mix and match of any of them, including the Japanese stuff.
I think I just want like one stove.
Okay. Just $5.
Which one would you recommend out of these two? I've never opened either one of those.
Probably the Astral Radiance. This is the brand new set. It's only about 3 weeks old. I think it's got a few better hits in it as far as like the checklist.
I'll get that one then. I've opened most of these packs. I just like opening them.
Appreciate you, man.
You have a good day.
Have a good rest of your day, bro.
Okay, there's some Dragon Ball figures. Oh, that looks sick.
No le pido nada, pero denme un par de zapatos. ¿Cuánto vamos a sacar eso? Yo no sé.
Eso espero, pues, en la mente que estoy viviendo, yo espero.
No le pido nada. Quiero sacar.
How much for this?
$20. I got some sets here, $10 a box.
You said how much for these?
$10 please. The big bowl's on the left.
How much for these shoes? How much?
40. Brand new.
I'm gonna play basketball. How much?
$5.
$5.
Who did the basketball like that? Who did the basketball like that?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I think I don't know. I don't play basketball too much by myself. Me and my friends always need a basketball. So Might as well get it. It's $5. All right, we are just leaving the flea market now, and we didn't really find much. Me and the pirate both, but yeah, I got this basketball. Pretty cool. And I got a Pokemon pack. I don't know, I don't play basketball too much, but me and my friends are always looking for another basketball to play with when we're hanging out, so I might as well just get it. All right, we got one Pokemon pack just for the fun of it. I like buying these at the flea market just because. Just open it. All right, it looks like a real pack so far. Anyone wants to use that code? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've never opened one of these packs, so maybe they. Ooh, okay, V-Star. All right, we got that. Bam, that. Ooh, anything good though is the real question. Boom. No, nothing good. Hey, one of these times that we'll get a good pack, okay? One of these times, you never know. All right, if you guys don't remember, or if you guys remember in the video, we saw these a bit earlier, and I was debating on getting them. And my dad's friend Benji's saying they're $5 each now, and I missed them. Missed a good deal, unfortunately. How do you feel about that, Pyre? Because you didn't see them either.
I didn't even see them. Otherwise, I probably would have made a purchase on them. But I didn't even see them anywhere, so that kind of sucks for me. But
missing here? It's got to open.
Got the top right there in your hand. There you go.
It's got to open up like that, right? I run out of my dollar bills.
Yes.
You have a good day.
How's it going?
I'm good, how about you?
Everything's buy one, get one free.
Oh, really?
Yep. Except for this table right here. Everything else.
All right.
Box of that.
do you have any sports cards or comic books?
We had some kid who got them earlier.
What do we get for sleeping in, son? All right. Thank you.
Sure.